Hi guys, I'm Hassa with WTI, and as a girl, I experienced some symptoms that are not so pleasant during my periods, and this Myo-Inositol D-Chiro Inositol from Wholesome Story has helped me a lot, especially with my cravings. I used to have really long periods. They would last up to 8 days and they were really painful. But this supplement right here has helped me a lot with the tenderness on some parts of my body whenever I'm about to get my period. And I don't feel like I am gaining weight at all. I feel much better. I can sleep better, and I feel like I have so much energy now that I have taken this for over 2 months. So I take 3 pills a day with any meal. Sometimes I do it in the morning or at noon, and since the capsules are not too big, they're really easy to swallow in my case. This has been really beneficial for my hormonal balance. It has vitamin B8. It comes with 120 inositol supplement caps. Before, I wouldn't know when my period was gonna come, so I was pretty unsure, but now I'm getting more regular periods, which means that I kind of know when I'm gonna get it, and I can prepare for those days and know what to do and what not to plan. If you guys are like me and you're probably struggling with some hormonal issues, well, this has helped me a lot, and I don't know if you want to try it out as well and see how it goes, but I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.